Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this used Civic Type R FL5. Now of course, if you are aware of these cars, they have not been around long and they are the newest generation of Civic Type R actually be released. You do get the 326 brake horsepower front wheel drive drivetrain as well, which makes it one of those track toys. It is one of the more iconic of the sort of hot hatch bunch as well. They have downsized the alloys to the 19-inch, which reduces the weight of the car to improve its handling through the corners. I'll go into each and every alloy just so you can see the design pattern and of course the condition of the alloys. Now these cars are hot off the mix really. The car speaks for itself. They are truly one of a kind and you can't get anything like them. Now we've got, with this car, you do have a full reversing camera. Got the nice little Type R logo just there. The 3-exit exhaust at the bottom as well. We've got plenty of room in the boot compartment as well. You've also got your nice little pullover privacy shelf as well. Just below, you do have a sort of wheel well where a spare wheel would go. However, it does not have the space because it does have the back box for the muffler. You then have a nice little GT wing as well, which does contrast well with the rest of the vehicle, giving it a nice sporty but subtle design. Just showing you the rear alloy here. Inside, it has been changed from the previous generation. It is now a 4-seater, but you do still get the red seat belts, Isofix mounting points and Alcantara seats throughout. You then have your 2 cup holders in the middle, full electric windows all round. They've gone back as well to about 2010 as well, as they have brought the red carpets back within, which we at Blackpool Honda think is the best looking thing that you could possibly get in any sports car. You then got your power fold mirrors just here with your electric adjustment, central locking, window lock, and all your windows just here are all fully electric and automatic. Inside the car now. So another thing that they have changed compared to the last generation, you still have the electric handbrake with brake hold and your stop start. However, the drive mode only has the 2 settings within, 3. You have the sports, comfort and individual. Instead of having the Type R mode on the drive mode, you do now have this button, which we find is more convenient if you choose to use it. You've still got the classic 6-speed manual gearbox with your wireless phone charger and 2 USB ports down there. Full dual climate control as well, and they have now also put this nice honeycomb feature within the dashboard. As you can see, it is number 1172 off the production line. Within the screen, they do have your Honda Log R, which means that you can see what is happening with the car, how the geometry is doing, and of course how you are actually performing with the revs. All your water temperatures and everything are on the display as well. Within this, you have your DAB, FM, Bluetooth hands-free, and your Bluetooth audio. So everything as you would in your standard Civic, you do still have in the Type R. We've then got your audio controls with your volume just here, but your voice control, and then your onboard computer control is just there. So you can choose whether you want to see what you want to see. So we'll go back to Bluetooth on there. Over on the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist, and your distance control. You can also operate on here what you choose to see again. So you can see your safety support, maintenance scheme, boost, turbo pressure, you can see absolutely everything on there. We've then got automatic headlights still as standard, and your automatic windscreen wipers are also on the right. As you can see on the odometer in the bottom right, the car has only done 430 miles, so it is still just like delivery mileage. It's not even been used yet. We've got your different displays as well. So as you can see, you've got your Type R mode, you've then got your sports mode, and then your comfort. So you do have the option to drive however you like. Jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy here. If you do of course require any further information regarding this Civic Type R, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear